Do you have your home goals set yet for 2018? Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. So today I wanted to help you create home goals for your own space that you call home. And I found this trick back when I was staging homes, and I would give sellers this homework task, and it would be called buyer's eyes. Now I think that no matter what area of your life, you should have some written goals, and you can do that in our new planner called Make It Home, the Ultimate Property Project Planner. So let me show you how we do this. Inside the planner, you have an annual sheet that you can write down all the goals that you want to do for your home in 2018. Now, I suggest having 8 to 10 main goals, but have a variety of options, things that you can tackle on a weekend, and maybe some long-term renovation projects. Also, make sure that you're utilizing the different areas of your room. And don't forget, you don't just have to be a homeowner to do this. You could be doing some of these things in your rental property. So back to those buyer's eyes. I always used to tell sellers the first thing we need to do when you are working with a home stager is to tour the house. So whether you're selling or just staying in your home and looking to update it, tour your property from the front curb down to the basement, up to the attic, and everywhere in between. And see if these are areas that you enjoy. Maybe they're dark and dingy and you want to update them. Maybe you can add more space to them, or you want to rearrange something, or you want to update a kitchen or a bathroom, which I would love to do. Take one room at a time and start from the top right on down. You want to look at all 4 walls as well as the ceiling and the floor to make sure you're not overlooking anything that could potentially be a goal or project that you want to tackle. So maybe you need to paint the ceiling, replace a light fixture, repair a window, or any of your moldings. Maybe you want to update your window treatments or change out the furniture. Maybe you need to take out that worn out carpet and replace it with some good old-fashioned wood. So when you're doing this exercise, I recommend either having a judgmental friend or your partner with you, or someone who can really help you open up your eyes to maybe things that you can't really recognize anymore.
Which I do all the time. So.
That needs repairs. Right? If you guys don't know, this is Sal, my husband, or Sal, your pal. But today what we're gonna do is just take a scrap piece of paper. In fact, I like using these big sticky notes because then I can put this right into the planner. I don't need to worry about it looking all pretty and perfect. And we're just gonna go room by room and kind of jot things down that we see and that we wanna work on. So let's start with the entryway. I know for sure that we need to touch up the paint, the blue paint that I painted last year. I need to touch that up on my front door, which that's something I can get done in a few hours.
Not even really. It's not going to take that.
So that's definitely going on the list. I think at this point too, just jot it down. Don't worry about how much it's going to cost. Don't worry about how you're going to get it done. Just jot it down and you can go back through the list.
And you go, yeah, whatever you
And then you could start tackling things on your own. Maybe do some research and DIY it, or research and find a professional who can help you.
Right.
Do you think we need to repaint? Let's start with that. I think we need to touch up some stuff.
Touching up is fine. I like the paint.
I like the paint color, but I think we need to touch up on the paint in the room. So another thing that we want to do, obviously we need to clean this light fixture right here, but I really want to put wallpaper on the ceiling, or at least repaint it, because you can get these little, what are these? They're like nail spots that you're starting to see through the walls again. And apparently a contractor who was here not too long ago said that's because there's not the right insulation and circulation up on this roof. And we also have this problem in our bedroom. So I don't know how easy that is to actually fix the problem, or do we just mask the problem and put some wallpaper on it? Also organize the closet, the front closet right here. A little bit better. I'm also wondering too if we actually put window treatments here. Again, like panel curtains, or maybe some type of built-in on either way. We too, before Sandy, we used to have like a place to put keys and leashes and stuff like that. And we don't have that anymore. No, so
we can mount that on the wall too, like we had it.
Do we like that, or do we want to keep it more clean? I feel like I'm kind of over this furniture, but that's just me because I see it all the time.
No, she gets tired of everything. She wants different things all the time, which is a good thing.
So I don't know, maybe built-ins and some type of bench. I guess we'll come back to that.
Okay.
But put it on the list because you never know, it may actually become reality. From the entry, you walk right into our living room. And what do you think our home goal, if any, should be for in here?
Well, number one, there's a lot of chips in the wall.
So painting.
Painting's definitely a one.
I think we definitely have to dress this window. I don't know how.
I'm going to get that redone. It's got to be redone. There's some draft in there, so I want to get rid of the draft also in there.
I think we could also get a new rug. Definitely need a...
New coffee table is coming.
Coffee table. So guys, this is just what I'm saying. You want to go from the top down. We have a good light fixture in here. Oh, we do need to touch up the ceiling paint.
Yeah. Yes.
But this room is pretty good. There's nothing major in here except for paint and then buying a few accessories. So I think this could easily get done in a weekend. From the living room, you walk into the eat-in kitchen area. We just got this table from West Elm. I love it because it's got the marble on it, but then it's also, or I should say like faux marble, because it's not real marble, but and it's also,
it looks weird.
It also has the gold metal down on the bottom, which is very trendy right now. Anything in here, I think we need to definitely we ordered a farmhouse door for this piece right here. We are putting that in this year for sure. And I don't know, I think maybe an art piece or something.
Right on the wall right there. That'd be good. A
kitchen bar cart maybe, or something that we can roll it.
Right?
Well, we can roll it here in the corner when we're not using it, but then it can also be used as an island in the kitchen.
Oh, I like that.
And I think that'll also be good too for some of our food videos.
Yeah.
I think we could also touch up maybe some of the paint on the walls and the little nicks around the window. And this ceiling is gonna have to be painted because it's an extension right into the living room. So you can't just stop.
Yeah, it won't match.
And we need to just update the centerpiece. So what I like doing is assessing after the holidays the house, and it's great this time of year too because you're setting goals in other areas of your life. So why not take the time and actually set up goals, things that you want to conquer, these home goals in your home, so you can come home to a place that is a retreat, that is relaxing to you, that instantly makes you feel a little bit warm, welcome, invited, and you can entertain in these spaces as well as spend time with loved ones. So guys, for more home staging and decorating tips, please be sure to go check out the link below. Go check out this video next to see more ideas, and don't forget to subscribe below. Until next time, happy decorating, organizing, and staging. We're doing all of them.
We're doing all of it.